Friends, today we are going to solve some numerical problem which is given in your NCERT book. And in your book it is given that one question, that is question number 3. An electric bulb is rated is rated 220 volt and 100 watt when it is operated on 110 volt. The power consumed will be. There are 4 options are given: 100 watt, 75 watt, 50 watt, and 1 is 25 watt. How would you solve this question? Here in this question, a bulb whose watt is given, that is power is given, that is power P is equal to 100 watt, and potential difference is given 220 volt. So here you have to find the resistance. All of you know the formula, P is equal to V square by R. So R is equal to V square by P. So this is equal to, the value of V is 220 into 220 divided by power is 100. 100 cancel. So resistance is 484 ohm. Now in the second part, the bulb of same watt that is used or connected to the source of 110 volt battery. So here now potential difference is given 110 volt and resistance is, that is 484 ohm. So here you have to find out the power. All of you know the formula, P is equal to V square by R. So here 110 into 110 divided by 484. So here after calculation you will get 121 into 100 divided by 484, which is equal to 25 watt. So here correct option is, that is 25 watt. Now the second question, it is given in your NCERT book of question number 4. Two conducting wires of the same material and of equal lengths and equal diameters are first connected in series. Suppose here we consider two resistors and these two resistors have same material and equal length. Length is same, material is same, so resistance is also same. First connected in series, the two resistors are first connected in series, that is R and R. Then what is the total resistance of this combination of series? So in series combination, Rs is equal to R plus R is equal to 2R ohm. Now, then these two resistors are again connected in parallel. And the same resistor of resistance R. So here in parallel, one by Rp is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R, which is equal to R 1 plus 1. So 1 by Rp is equal to 2 by R. So Rp is equal to R by 2. So this is the value of equivalent resistance in parallel combination, and this is the value in series combination. Now we have to find out the ratio of heat produced in the series and parallel combination. Then how would you find out? All of you know formula H is equal to I square RT, and from Ohm's law all of you know V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R. So here put this value. The value of I, that is V square by R square into R into T. So 1 R cancel. The formula is V square T by R. Now you have to find the value of heat produced in series. Heat produced in series. So S series is equal to formula V square T. In series combination, the value of equivalent resistance is 2R because both are connected in series. So here you write in place of R 2R. This is equation number 1. Now when these two resistors are connected in parallel, then what is this value of heat produced in parallel combination? This is equal to V square T. The value of R is here, that is Rp is R by 2. So here you write R by 2. So which is equal to V square T into 2 divided by R. This is equation number 2. Here we have to find the ratio of heat produced in series by heat produced in parallel. So this is equal to the first equation, that is dividing equation 1 by equation 2. So here value of S series, that is V square T by 2R divided by V square T by R divided by 2, which is equal to V square T by 2R. On multiplication, then R by V square T into 2. So here V square T cancel, R cancel, which is equal to 1 by 4. So here series, so what is the ratio? H series, H parallel, which is equal to 1:4. So this is the answer of the, that is the C option is correct in the Question number 4 of your NCERT book. Now, third question is, this is the question number 10 in NCERT book. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? This is the question. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on 220 volt line? Solution. Here the value of, that is, R dash is equal to V by I. Here V is 220 divided by current is 5 ampere. So this is equal to 44 ohm. Now the resistors of resistances 176 are combined in parallel. So here 1 by R dash is equal to, that is 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R plus dot plus n terms. So 1 by R dash is equal to n by R. So R dash is equal to R by n. Now here the value of R dash is given 220 by 5, that is 44, and R is, that is 176 ohm. We have to find the value, how many resistors of 176 are combined in parallel. So this formula reduces to N is equal to R by R dash. So here R is given 176 and R dash is given 44. So 4, N is equal to 4. What does it mean? It means that if the value of resistance is 176 and it combined in parallel, then we will get the equivalent resistance 44 ohm. So here answer is N is equal to 4. Means 4 resistors of 176 are combined in parallel, which gives the equivalent resistance, that is 44 ohm. So this is the answer. We can also calculate here, that is 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by 176 plus 1 by 176 plus 1 by 176 plus 1 by 176. LCM 176, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 by 176. So here 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by 44. So R dash is equal to 44. To verify this, we can also get the result. How many resistors? 1, 2, 3, 4 resistors are combined in parallel. Then we get the equivalent resistance 44 ohm. Thank you.